Hello everyone, my name is Russell Wright and I'm the co-inventor of several online applications including the Google Plus RSS feed, and I saw this question and wanted to help everybody. Although I have created an application with much difficulty that turns Google Plus into RSS feeds, I wanted to first address several questions that came up. I would like to thank Jessica who asked the first question, and the question is there an RSS feed for my Google Plus? I also happen to be the author of a course called Google++, where I talk about the benefits and the advantages of having a Google Plus RSS feed. And the advantages are many, and I'll spare you that because I want to focus more on how to create an RSS feed with Google+. And I also want to comment that it cost me quite a bit of money to make this possible, so you're not going to find any free versions that are stable. There are, for example, Google Chrome apps that people have tried to make, and they are really not doing that great of a job. Also, I would like to thank uh, Martin Hoxie, who tried to answer this question. And this answer is no longer valid. Martin pointed out that you could use Yahoo Pipes early on. He even gave an example of his RSS feed. And if you go over and you take a look at it, here is his RSS feed now. It's no longer functional. If you want to see a browser-based Mozilla version, you can see pretty much that it is no longer valid through the pipes format. You would be able to see a lot more RSS feed entries if that were possible. So I created a solution. I try to keep it very affordable, but it is not free. So just because I have to constantly be updating the RSS feed, and we do it every 24 hours, and people can bring their own proxies if they would like to update the RSS feed. And for me, this is very important because I like to syndicate my RSS feeds out to the various RSS directories. So let me just go ahead and show you quickly how the application that I created from scratch actually works. And perhaps if you really want an RSS feed, this is something that you could use because it is stable. The fee that I charge is only there to make sure that my programmer Kostya gets paid. We have an automatic update whenever it stops working, and he automatically fixes any changes that Google might have made. So that's primarily what I'm charging, is to make sure that there's a programmer on top of it. To have a look at this application or to purchase it, you can go to, at least at the time of this video, a URL called networkempire.com/members area. And we are going to be offering this as a standalone. So all you need to do is go and click on the members software. Then you're going to want to click on the Google Plus RSS feed. And you can see that all you have to do is go to the dashboard and click on, let's actually just click on projects. You can see that I have several RSS feeds made. And not only do I create an RSS feed for your status updates on Google+, we also allow you to create an RSS feed on your shallow plus ones. These are the things that you may not add a statement or an update or a comment on, but just when you click that plus button, I don't know if you know this, but when you click the plus button, it actually adds you to another type of stream. Well, we turn that stream into an RSS feed if you wish. You can also add your own proxy if you would like to update your Google Plus RSS feed more than every hour. And I'm sorry, more than every 24 hours. If you want to do it for every hour, for example, you would have to bring your own proxy. And I actually wrote to be able to show you into the program the last time it was fetched. Okay, so that's pretty important stuff. And here's the fetch interval in terms of minutes. It's 24 hours. Okay, so all you would have to do if you wanted to, for example, create an RSS feed, is you would just go ahead and create project. But I'm going to go ahead and edit one here rather than create a new feed. Shows you what it is you are looking for. All you got to do is you can put in any project name you want. You can add the author name. So if you have an outsourcer, you can name it your outsourcer or the project name. Then you just simply grab that Google Plus RSS code, which is up in your browser. That'll be go to your Google Plus page and go ahead and look for it up here. And all you have to do is put that Google Plus code right in here. And all you have to do is tell the software if you want to fetch post or fetch posts and plus ones. Click active, save project, and once it saves that project, it's going to appear on your dashboard. Okay, whoops, let's go to projects again. It's going to appear on your projects, and as you can see, that particular project is a website called Cancer Factor Fiction, and it's updating beautifully. To give you an example of what that would look, I'll just copy that link address. Let's go look at it in Mozilla, because Mozilla is a little bit more familiar to people. Okay, and that's going to appear Google plus RSS.networkempire/RSS feed/posts, and you can do whatever you want with that feed. Okay, it was updated this afternoon, you can see. You clicked on that, it's going to take you to the actual +1 page. Okay, you want your actually plus posts indexed, because that actually will help you on the search engines, and there's so many reasons that you want to have your Google Plus RSS feed and or your Google Plus business page. Oh, I did forget to mention that you can do this with either a personal plus or a business page. Let me go back and edit it. If you'd rather do a Google Plus business page, click this. If you want to do a Google Plus personal, click this. So it does allow both. And for your Google Plus business, I even allow you to tell the RSS feed whether you want local business or place, product or brand, art or entertainment. If you're not an RSS, if you're not a Network Empire member and you have difficulty getting access to this software, going to the networkempire.com/members area, which I just showed you, you can also log in, I believe it's free, to my other course. It's called googleplusplus.com. I think I got that right. It's been a while since I've been here, so yeah. Go to google-plus+.com and maybe watch the video if you want, but just go ahead and sign up, and as soon as you opt in, I'm going to take you to a page where you have access to purchase the monthly membership for Google Plus, and I've kept it under $10 for the Google Plus RSS feed. So I hope you enjoy it if you want to use it. I promise I've looked long and far and hard for a way of solving this before I spent $5,000, $10,000 creating a silly program for this. But it has enough social and SEO weight that you are going to want to do this. And you can do anything else you want with your feed. You can run your feed through Twitter feed or anything else to go to Twitter's. You can do anything you want with your feed for your Google Plus updates. All right, I hope this is a little bit helpful, and I empathize with your challenges, and this software should be an extremely helpful tool for you to use to create RSS feeds or an RSS feed for your updates, either personal or business page. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you in the future as a Network Empire member. Bye-bye.